Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason Android Auto is just not working on your particular phone. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing and just make sure is to just go through and just make sure if you have a wired version of CarPlay, go through and make sure your CarPlay or your Android Auto is fully plugged in. So if you have a wire, make sure it's plugged on one side and make sure on the other device it's also plugged in. That is probably going to fix a lot of your issues that you might have with CarPlay, and that is pretty much the first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. Now, if you have wireless CarPlay, you might also wireless Android Auto. You might also want to go inside of your Android settings, go inside of your Bluetooth connection settings right here, and just make sure you are properly connected to that Bluetooth device as well. So that can be another very easy thing to do. Now you can also go through back inside of your settings. You can tap onto the settings portion, the search button up here, and you can just type in Android Auto like this, and you should be able to go inside of the Android Auto settings right over here, tap on it, and you should be able to go through and manage your Android Auto settings. You can go through reconnect your device here, so just go right here, reconnect your device. You can kind of see if you can kind of adjust it a little bit. But that is going to be another thing you can kind of do here, and that might end up adjusting and or fixing it for you as well. And that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation too. Now, if that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, go and restart it, and you want to see if that'll end up fixing it. I think for a lot of people that might end up doing it. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.